Now we will discuss the early difficulties of Ghiyasuddin Balban. Balban had to face a number of problems after his accession to the throne. The affairs of the state had fallen into a confusion, as well as the prestige of the crown had sunk low due to the misrule of weak and incompetent successors of Al-Tutmash. So, what is written about them in the history is, in the words of Burney, fear of governing power, which is the basis of all good governments and the source of glory and splendor, had departed from the hearts of men, and the country had fallen into a very wretched condition. So that was the first difficulty that Balban faced, because the country had no royal glory, and it was a very difficult situation for a person like Balban to regain the glory and to be a very authoritative Sultan of Delhi. The royal treasury was empty, the army was unorganized. However, Balban proved to be more than equal for them. Now, what he was supposed to do? अब वो करना उसने क्या था? The first important task was restoration of the crown's prestige. Balban had realized that without restoration of the crown's prestige, which had sunk low during the rule of these weak successors, no better and effective government could be possible. यानी इस बात का अंदाजा तो बलबन को नासिरुद्दीन महमूद के टाइम पीरियड में ही हो गया था कि इफ द sultan or the head of the state is going to be a puppet in the hands of the nobles, then no better and effective government could be possible. He also knew the fact that this could be restored through the policy of absolute despotism. यानी मुतलक़ुल अनानियत की तरफ जो है वो उसका रुझान हुआ, and he knew that he needs to have an absolute authority over the governors, over the courtiers, over the nobility, and over the 40 nobles as well. He believed that absolute despotism alone could exact obedience from his subjects and ensure security of the country. और उसको ये भी ख्याल था, he also knew that the security of the country is also in the hands of an absolute authoritative sultan. He also knew that in order to be successful despot, one must follow the policy of theory of kingship. The concept of theory of kingship is that the right to rule is given by God and not by the people, and for his action, whether good or bad, the ruler is answerable and accountable to God only, not to the people. Now we can give this theory another name, that this theory is the theory of divinity, where the emperor he assumes the power of an absolute sultan, and he portrays that he is the subordinate of God, and he is chosen by God to rule the land, and he is not answerable to the people. Now what Balban did, Balban at first made out his concept of theory of kingship to his subjects. Secondly, he emphasized on external dignity and prestige as essential for kingship. He maintained a great distance from the people and denied to meet the common people. Now, this is also criticized on the part of the Balban had, that he was very authoritative and did not want to meet the common people. He organized his court on the Iranian model and followed the etiquettes and ceremonial of the Persians very strictly. यानी उसने इन चीज़ों को जो है वो एक्सेप्ट जो है वो किया, और उनको जो है इरानियंस के जो पैटर्न्स हैं उसको फॉलो किया. Having a long beard on his long face and wearing a very big crown on his head, he sat on the throne with the dignity of the great Sassanid kings. He maintained his dignity by grim and serious looks,